with the left hand, it has C, G, A, E, F, C, F, G. By the way, this arrangement is transposed to C. The original was in D major. But C major might be easier. And then we'll learn the right hand for every 4 bars. So if we want to put both hands together, so that's the first part. And then the second line is much easier actually. And then we will add a third on the top. When you play on the organ, if you want to keep things very legato, you might need to get used to the finger substitution. Like here. And the next part is very similar to that, but instead of playing 2 notes together, we break it down. The next part is also very similar, but instead of playing 2 notes, we add a bit of decoration. And next part, we got a more expressive melody. The next part is probably the hardest part we can get because it has a relatively faster movement. So it sounds like this. When you are learning fast run like this, it might be a good idea to practice dotted rhythm. Then you will have group 3. Yeah, and then you have group 4. And then you can do 8. Yeah. That's how you practice for any fast runs. So now let's add the left hand. And the next 4 bars are exactly the same as these 4 bars, it's just a repeat. And lastly, we play the ending.